Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money online doing affiliate marketing. All you need to do is very simple work. You don't have to record any videos, you don't have to create any content, you don't have to edit or any content. All you need to do is download some stuff and then upload it on YouTube. Okay, that's the two-step process which you need to make money with this method, and it's really working. Many of the people are utilizing this method and making a lot of money. You can also try it out this method and it definitely works. Okay, so now let's jump with the content without wasting any of your time, because I know you are very eager to make some money and this is really interesting. You can earn very good money just by doing this very simple stuff. So now let's go over here and dive into the content. All you need to do is go to Google and search for PLR websites. Okay, PLR websites are private level website where you can find products which you can utilize for any of your purposes. Okay, so you can find ebooks, videos, as well as many other things. Okay, so I have searched for the term PLR products, and you can see here is the website which is known as idplr.com. Okay, I have already opened that website. Now what I have searched here is that you can just go to this website and go over here and you can see free videos. Okay, just click on the free video section. Now once you click on the free video section, you will find all these products which are absolutely free video courses. Okay, now what you can do is you can download this video courses from over this website, and then you can upload this video courses to YouTube. Okay, and you can also provide your affiliate link related to that product in the description, and you can start making money. For example, I'm gonna select one of the product from here, and then so for example, you can see that exercise workout video pack. Okay, this is really something a great product. So you can see there, get your hands on 50 whiteboard videos on health and fitness niche. Okay, so it is 1.1 GB. Okay, so you are getting 50 videos from here. Okay, which are related to health, okay, and exercise. Now what you can do is just you can download this product from over here, and what can you do is you can upload all the videos of this product to your YouTube channel, and you can also provide any of the product related to exercise in the description of that video, as well as you can also promote any of the product related to health and fitness niche. You can find this type of product on ClickBank, and all you need to do is get its affiliate link and then put that affiliate link in the description of that YouTube video. That's really awesome, and you can just do this simple method. Okay, there are tons and tons of products just like this. All you need to do is go to Google and search for PLR websites. You may find a ton of PLR websites and a ton of products just like this, and you can start creating a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter which niche you are in. If you are in a exercise niche, you can focus on fitness niche, you can focus on motivation niche, and many other niches. Whichever niches you like, you can just go for that niche and start promoting products regarding that niche and start making some real money online. So this is really interesting. Anyone, almost everybody can do this method. They don't need to create any content. They don't need to create any videos. All they need to do is just download some videos and then upload them on YouTube, and that's really easy. We are not going to make any money out of AdSense utilizing this method, but still you should try to apply for AdSense. So if you are getting AdSense revenue, that's something which is a double of income. But if you don't get monetized, no problem, because you are mainly focusing on the money which you are going to earn from affiliate marketing from this product. So this is really interesting. Almost anyone can do this. Just go to IDPLR website, download some of the videos and just some of the video courses just like this, and then go to YouTube and start uploading those courses. And you can provide some of the affiliate links in the description which are regarding any of the product which is related to the niche of that particular course, and you can start making money out of it. Anyone can almost do it. This is really easy and very simple method, so everyone can try this method and it definitely works. So if you are interested in make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, all this awesome stuff, then I create videos just like this every single day, showing you really very simple strategies to earn money online, doing simple working from home, from the comfort of your home, and you can start making some real money. So if you like this video, just press the like button. If you really like this video very much, also share it with your friends, family and other members. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.